Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator for your clothing brand. We'll start by understanding why Illustrator is the ideal tool for apparel design, focusing on its vector capabilities. You'll learn to navigate the interface and set up your first artboard, ensuring your designs are scalable from a small tag to a large billboard. This foundational knowledge is crucial for creating professional and versatile brand assets. Next, we'll dive into crafting compelling logos and graphics. I'll show you how to master the pen tool for intricate shapes and use Pathfinder operations to combine elements seamlessly. We'll explore applying your brand's color palette, including precise hex codes or CMYK values, and creating dynamic gradients. This ensures your visual identity is strong and consistent across all your clothing items. Moving on, we'll tackle creating accurate technical flats and realistic garment mockups. You'll learn to draw precise outlines of clothing items, adding details like stitching with custom brushes. We'll then place your designs onto these mockups, giving you a clear visual of the final product. This step is vital for communicating your vision effectively to manufacturers and for marketing your apparel. Finally, we'll prepare your files for production, a critical step for any clothing brand. I'll guide you through outlining all fonts to prevent any display issues and ensuring your artwork is in the correct color mode, such as CMYK for print. We'll cover exporting in various formats like AI, EPS, or PDF, and setting up precise dimensions, perhaps 24 by 36 inches for poster, ensuring your designs are perfectly ready for manufacturing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.